Everybody, Josh Dean with Sideways Barbecue. Just wanted to, and Erica is with us as well. Hey, I wanted to let you guys know it's back by popular demand. I was tired of going into the city and everybody wanting to beat me up because I took the peacock sandwich off, but we are bringing it back. So it is back on the menu every Thursday. We're gonna show you how we make this thing, and I'm gonna take a bite of it. So best part about these videos, so check it out. I'm gonna have Erica make this for you.
Alright, so I'm gonna get some of this pulled chicken that we smoke and toss in our house-made buffalo sauce. And we're gonna get a cupful of our blue cheese coleslaw. It just sets it off.
Oh, that stuff is so good. All right.
Put the toasted ciabatta bun right on top of that.
All right, let's
Good
check
to
it
go
out.
for a good bite right there.
I'm gonna check that out, everybody. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a bite of this thing, and first of all, I want to show it to you here. Look at that. Oh my goodness. The blue cheese coleslaw. It's gonna have the pulled chicken, smoked pulled chicken, buffalo sauce, ciabatta bun, and just deliciousness. So let's give her a try.
I love that face.
Folks, I think I got some all over me. There ain't no way around it. It's a messy thing, but my gosh, this thing is so good. I should have brought a towel over here. Give me a second. Oh. Folks, this thing will make your mouth water. And if you haven't had one, I know why people want to beat me up because we took this thing off. It is so good. So every Thursday, we'll be doing this. Come check it out. You're going to love it. See you soon.